Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Jim McDonald, CEO and president of Kootenay Silver Inc. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is KTN on the TSX Venture, and Kootenay Silver will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metals Summit, Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Jim, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
I'm doing great, Robert. How are you?
Oh, not too bad. Another virtual day in Beaver Creek. But
Yeah.
we'll be there, but we will be there in person this year, so that's really cool.
It's familiar.
Yeah. So last time we chatted, we published that interview back in September 2021. But before we get into all the updates, can you provide our audience with that quick overview of the company?
Yeah, so Kootenay Silver is focused on silver exploration and discovery in Mexico. And obviously Mexico because it's the biggest silver producing region in the world. And so we've been there for some time, made a number of discoveries. We have a large resource base and two different deposits that we've discovered. And we're in the middle of an exciting brand new high-grade discovery on our Columba project that we've been reporting a lot of news on recently.
Very good. Well, let's get into that a little bit. So last time, like I said at the top, we last did an interview that we published was on September 15, 2021. So what would you say are some of the company's highlights and milestones since that time?
Yeah, so a lot of drilling on the Columba project. In addition to that, we spun out our Canadian assets into a new company, so dividended that stock out to our shareholders, and that's a Canadian-focused exploration company now, just about to go public, called Kootenay Resources. And then we just recently sold and are about to close the sale of our 35% interest in our Cervantes project to Aztec Minerals for 10 million shares of Aztec. And so that's the high level there, Robert.
Very good. So, of all the recent news, the recent milestones and highlights, what would you say is, in your opinion, something that you want our audience and the investor base to really have a better understanding of because it's helping unlock more value for shareholders? Yeah.
So what's driving the interest right now is the Columba project, the high grades we're getting there. So it's this drill discovery. We've been drilling it for 2.5 years. And prior to this year's program, which is budgeted to be a 15,000 meter program, we had drilled 19,000 meters in 113 holes and identified numerous veins with excellent high grades in them and widths. And now we've just put out the first of the assays from this year's program yesterday, and intercepts like over 400 grams over 11 meters on the D vein, for example. And then 100 meters deeper, there's a 7-meter intercept of over 400 grams again. And this is offsetting last year's hole where we had over 17 meters of 650 grams per ton. So that's just one of the veins, but it's showing some of the widest and highest grade hits so far. Is wide open in all directions.
Very good. So then from what you can tell us to close this out here today, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts that folks should pay attention to?
Drill results from Columba.
Simply put, just drill results. So Jim, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Kootenay Silver?
You can come visit our website at www.kootenaysilver.com.
Jim, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Beaver Creek.
We'll see you there.
Absolutely. All right. Kootenay Silver will be presenting again at the Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.